Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show a short video about this absolutely superb BMW R1200GS Adventure Iconic. Here we have a BMW R1200GS Adventure. This is a 2016 bike on a 16 plate with just 6,936 miles, 2 owners from new and a full service history, having had a recent service in July 2024. So this bike is actually a GS Adventure Iconic. It's number 42 of 100, as you can see there, a limited edition in this very nice motorsports paint scheme, all in excellent condition, the paintwork that is, and the bike generally speaking in excellent condition as well. You've got a light mark on the handguard there, but it is what it's for, and nothing on the mirror or anywhere else on the bike to suggest that it's been over. All the crash bars there and the fog lamps all in good order as well, as you can see, as is the engine itself, and the exhaust, there's no corrosion on those downpipes. Centre stand is all good as well. It's an Akrapovič HP silencer there as well on this GS Adventure, as you can see. The rear hub, generally speaking, all good. It's absolutely impossible to stop those nuts there going slightly orange, but these aren't too bad at all. The rear tyre in excellent condition, plenty of life left on it. Don't be alarmed, the camera does rather flatten out the rear tyre. All the rails in excellent condition, and as are the boxes. There's a couple of light marks on these aluminium boxes, but they are very easily marked. There's no dents or anything though, and they just look a bit worn. And of course you want it to look like you've been around the world on it. That is what the bike's for after all, as the sticker on the side of the pannier would suggest. So the seat is a red affair, and it's also quilted and is in excellent condition with no rips or tears or damage of any kind. As I said, all the paintwork excellent, a massive fuel tank there. Electronic suspension as well, of course, on this GSA or GS Adventure, and that's in excellent condition, as you can see in there. No paint coming off the engine anywhere, it's in great condition. The front of the engine, again, another spot where they can suffer, and this one is not. It's in excellent condition, as you can see. No paint bubbling up there or anything like that. Likewise, the front shock, yes, unusual on the motorcycle there, all good condition as well. And the front wheel, again, no dings, dents, scuff, scrapes, or scratches, or spokes. They're all in good condition, no discoloration there either. The front tyre, loads of life left in that one. The low-level mudguard, all good, no stone chips, no scratches, and the front high-level mudguard, again, all in good condition there, as you can see. You've got that headlamp protector, just there, the headlamp behind in good condition as well, with no stone chips, and the screen, of course, adjustable there, is in excellent order. So the left-hand side of the bike, that's all good. Nothing on the handlebar end here on the handguard or the mirror. All the bodywork there, all good as well, as you can see, as is the engine bars. Full-length engine bars, of course, this being the GS Adventure, and the front wheel on this left-hand side, again, just like the other side, in excellent condition. Of course, you've got ABS, you've got a quick shifter, cruise control, traction control, various rider modes, the aforementioned electronic suspension, heated grips, of course, as well. Shaft housing there, all in good condition, no sign of any paint bubbling up there, and that rear wheel on this side, again, all good. As is the subframe and the rear foot pegs, and that shock just in there, as you can see, in great condition. Pannier on the left-hand side, again, all good. Of course, really popular, these bikes, especially with all three boxes on. Most people take them off and swap them over to their new GS. There must be hundreds of new GSs rolling around with 10-year-old boxes on. Don't understand it myself, I just buy new ones, I think. So, as I said, no rips or tears in the red seat there. The petrol tank all in fantastic condition as well. You've got a little pocket there on the top, and you've got a digital and analog dash. Wiring for the sat-nav, of course, there as well. All your controls here for the cruise control, electronic suspension, and all your information, and then the heated grips and mode button on that other handlebar. So if you are looking for a really well-equipped, mile-munching motorcycle, look no further than this stunning BMW R1200GS Adventure Iconic. So let's fire this one up and have a listen. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with the current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this beautiful BMW, then please do get in touch either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.